Hey folks, welcome back to another Bad Gas production. So it's been a while since we've posted a long length or format video, so I wanted to get back and start with a shop update. Listen guys, thanks for tuning in. It takes a tremendous amount of effort to put these videos together, so please follow along and watch the entire video. I have a couple surprises here I'm going to mention, and there's a merch giveaway I want to mention as well. It's been actually pretty crazy busy here for the last few weeks. We've been hit with a number of winter storms. Maybe in a moment I'll go out and show you all the snow we have. It's been actually a really mild winter here for us, but certainly Old Man Winter reared his ugly head here in the last few weeks, and we've been hit with pretty much storm after storm. Good thing is it's almost spring, so pretty soon we'll be getting our cars out and having some fun again. All right, so as you can see, the Bad Gas shop here is pretty packed. I got pretty much 3 cars in here and a couple other small projects on the go. Rod has a couple projects in his shop, and a couple of the other guys are working on a few things. So let me give you, I guess, just a little tour and show you what we've been up to. I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll walk through it. All right, well, the Trans Am is up on the lift. The nose cone, the white nose cone, yeah, just, ignore that. That's just sitting there. We have a fancy blue one that goes there, but anyways, just ignore that. But yeah, it's up there. We've been working on the interior quite a bit. I might cut in some video here to show you some of the interior work that's been going on in there. Look at these two in the car that has glass in it.
Don't steam up that glass in there, fellas.
Yeah. Are you guys in here steaming up the glass?
Steaming what?
Steaming. Are you up in here steaming in the glass? Are you guys in here steaming up the glass?
There's no windows or T-tops, so all the heat goes out.
And the smell.
And the smell. Coming on down towards the back. Corey and I have been working in the trunk area here. Just getting it ready for carpet, stereo, and wiring. Sticky. Ta-da. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Nice.
Like that.
Well done.
I think that was pretty good, Mark.
Yep. Man, that thing's shiny. Whoa, what's behind me? Look at the red in there. Let's have a look at that. All right, well, that is a pretty red second gen Tacoma. And that's definitely one of the projects we've been focusing on here for the last number of weeks. Haven't really dropped any video of this yet, but if you guys are really interested in seeing this thing come from where it was to where it is now and where it's going, let us know. But basically been working on this project. So it's a second gen Tacoma. Had lots of miles on it, and needed some paint restoration, so we did all the paint work on it, and some interior cleanup, a few mods here and there, a few maintenance like things, and we're getting this thing's got a little bit more of a build to go. So let us know if you want to see that. Drop that in the comments below. All right, well, I guess that brings us to the 300Z. So this thing, if you've been watching our videos, you know this thing has been a pain in the rear end. Motor was out this year, had a complete meltdown in that motor related to some bad, I don't want to get into it. So if you're really interested, go down in the description below. I'll drop a link to the video where we tore the motor out of this and took it apart. But so we've just been working on trying to get this thing back up and running, and it's just been filling in a little bit of our time. So some pretty valve covers on it. It's all kind of ready to go. I was just filling up the coolant here the other day. It's got all the fluids back in it. Batteries charged and ready to go. And just needs a few little things done, like there needs to be a tie down put on the battery to secure it so it doesn't go flying around. And I think I just need to do a little QA and make sure we set everything up, and then we'll be starting this thing probably this weekend just to get it back up and running. Okay guys, it's been about 5 months since I started this thing. If you haven't watched the videos before, I had to take a good bit of this motor apart because we had 2 lifters that spun in their bores and totally wiped out the cam. So I've been picking away at this in between other projects, and I don't know why, but it always makes me nervous starting a motor for the first time. I'm not an expert doing this by any means, but I think I mostly know what I'm doing, right? Anyways, let's see how it goes. All right, well, fingers crossed. Wow, it started. And right away at that. All right, well, other projects. Rod's got 2 trucks in his shop he's working on. So one's his beloved Karen. That's a big diesel truck going through pretty exhaustive suspension lift, and pretty big process we're doing there on that. And he's got another project, a little budget build he's working on for a family member. That one's gonna go almost 1,000 kilometers from here, so 600 miles for our American friends. And I think what else does he got going on? And I think there was a Subaru or 2 in the middle there. So you know, it's been busy. We've been really busy. So I have a question for you folks. You tell me, what would you like to see? We can you know, continue on working on the Trans Am behind us. And we have the Tacoma here. That's we have some plans for that, and the 300's only just a little bit of minor work left to do. We have another project that I'm not going to tell you about yet, but there's another project in the wings that we purchased, just a fun one. So we're going to start working on that here, you know, maybe after we get some of this stuff done. This Tacoma's not going to live in the shop much longer. It's getting ready to head outside. And that 300, I think we're going to put that in storage and just for the rest of the season until the spring. What are you guys doing in here? You guys are in wiring hell or what?
Yeah. It's not wiring hell. It's just.
Actually, we switched because last time I was over there, now I'm over here.
Yeah, my side's all done, see?
I'm getting to it. This was your side. Now I'm on that side.
Would you be able to pass me a set of side cutters, please?
Side cutters. Sure. Side cutters. Side cutters. They're not Snap-on. I apologize.
Ooh.
I'll lower myself just this once.
Wow.
Snap-on, feel free to sponsor the Bad Gas Shop. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in and watching the shop update. Hey, listen, I mentioned a little surprise in merch. I want to give away a couple hoodies. So I have a couple different colors, sizes you can pick from. We have the classic orange. There's a lighter blue color. We have lots of black, and we have a few gray ones left. So I'd like to give those away to some of our fans. And at the same time, I'd like to really grow our audience. You know, it takes a lot of effort to put this stuff together for you folks. And, you know, we're making a little bit of do-re-mi from YouTube, but certainly not enough to cover the expenses of the things we're doing. So the way you can help us with that is by subscribing, by watching our videos, certainly to the end. watching the ads that come up from YouTube, because that's effectively what triggers YouTube to pay us. And that's how we sponsor building the things that we're doing and bringing that content to you. So here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to give away some hoodies, but in order to do that, I'm looking for our numbers to go up. So we're currently sitting at about 3,800, and I'd like to see that at least crest 4,000. So when we can get that number up to 4,000, then I'm going to do a random raffle giveaway. I'll take all of our subscribed members and put them through a randomizer, and I'll pick 5 lucky people to donate a hoodie to. I'll reach out to you through email and figure out the particulars in order to ship it to you. So share with your friends, see if you can help us pump up the numbers, and see if you can help us pump up the support. Thanks so much, folks.
Hey guys, it's Sully at Bad Gas. Hope you like what you saw in the video today. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe. Or subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're already subscribed, don't hit it again. But and share with your friends. It's free, and you know what? Someone else might really enjoy the content. Anyway, back at our fun day here in Canada land. Remember, keep both hands on the bars and throttle down. See ya.